Okay, number 19 just says to solve the system of linear equations, so you get to choose how you want to solve it. I look at this and I see it's already in ax plus by equals c form, so I'm going to use elimination to solve this. So if I multiplied the bottom row by -3, then I could eliminate the x's or the y's. So this is going to leave me with -9x minus 3y equals a -18. Then when I multiply the bottom row by actually I'm going to multiply by a +3. So that'll give me opposite signs. So 9x plus 3y equals a +18. So when I go to add these, -9x plus 9x is 0x. -3y plus 3y is 0y. And the -18 plus 18 is 0. Well, that says 0 equals 0. I lost my variable. Well, that's a true statement. That means my answer is infinitely many solutions. If I had come up with a false statement, then I would have said no solution. So I can say infinitely many solutions. Okay, for number 15, this one specifically says to solve by elimination. If I would multiply the first row by -1, then I would get a -2y, which would be opposite from what I have in the bottom. So I'm going to make this a -x minus 2y equals a -5. Then to that, I can add 3x plus 2y equals 17. So I add those together, I'm going to get 2x, then that's going to be eliminated. That will give me my 0. -5 plus 17 is 12. So I get x equals 6. Then I have to plug that 6 back into either one of the two original equations. I'm going to plug it back into the first one. So if x is 6, the x is going to get replaced with a 6. So I'd have 6 plus 2y equals 5. Subtract 6 on each side. I'm going to get 2y equals -1. Divide by 2. And I would get y to be a -1/2. So my answer would be 6, comma, -1/2. Then number 22 says you're going to solve that one by substitution. So x is already holding a place for 7 minus 2y. So I'm going to go into the second equation, and I'm going to take that 7 minus 2y, and I'm going to put it right in where that x is. So I'm going to do 2 So 2 times x, which is really 7 minus 2y, plus y equals 5. So 2 times 7 is 14. 2 times -2 is -4y, plus y equals 5. I can combine my -4y and y. Different sign, subtract. Keep the sign on the 4. Yes. Yes, I did, because I had no battery. Oh, sorry. Yeah, bye. So then I'm going to subtract 14 on each side and get -3y equals -9. Divide by -3, and I'm going to get a +3. So if y is +3, to figure out x, I can do x equals 7 minus 2 times 3. And 2 times 3 is 6, so x 7 minus 6 is equal to 1. So my answer should be 1, 3.